Just one more little burn. You can't see it, but that fire is actually creeping clear down and around in there. You could see it before it got fogged or smoked up. You can see it on the edges where it's continuing to go down, the fire right there. It's extremely hot in there. I don't know what the temperature is, but I've broke a few of these lids already. You can see that fire is just amazingly hot in there. Anyway, I thought you might like to see that one. I'm not going to record no more, except to sit here and watch this until it burns down. If that much. It's amazing. I notice the flame actually tries to crawl down inside even with the lid off. When it gets hot, it tries to crawl down inside of the barrel from the... I don't know how it's doing that. Whether all that... It's creating a draft sucking down to come out the chimney over here or what. Anyway, that's it. Peace out, people.